Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the smart tag above 50% and keep it within 1 to 2 meters of your phone. Open SmartThings and sign into your Samsung account so the app can register the tag. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. These allow discovery and accurate distance reporting. Once done, stay on the app's main device scanning screen. This starts the pairing handshake and prevents interruptions while the phone searches for the tag. You now put the smart tag into pairing mode by pressing and holding its button until the LED flashes. This tells the tag to broadcast. On SmartThings, allow the app to scan. When you see the smart tag appear, tap to connect and follow on-screen prompts. Configure the tag by giving it a name and assigning a room so location histories make sense. Make sure to grant motion and location permissions. These enable separation alerts and precise tracking, which is why configuration steps matter beyond mere connectivity. Finish by testing the setup. Use the app to ring the tag and confirm it appears on the SmartThings map. If the app prompts a firmware update, install it now to improve stability and features. If pairing or tracking fails, restart both the phone and the tag to clear transient issues, and then retry the connection. This often resolves Bluetooth cache problems. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, you can reset the tag by holding the button for about 10 seconds and then repeat the pairing workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.